What's up, y'all? It's Carrie with Beginner Dance Tutorials. Today we're going to learn a nice, short, little festive holiday dance to Wrap Me Up by Jimmy Fallon and Meghan Trainor. This song is so fun and so happy. It's just going to be 4/8 counts. It's just something to get you up and moving. The holidays can be stressful. They can be jam-packed full of things, but I promise you, if you take 10 or 15, 20 minutes to do something just for you, especially if you move your body and work your brain a little, you're gonna feel so good. You're gonna feel so much better. So I hope you'll stand up and try this with me. One last thing before we get started. As always, this video is the tutorial only. There's not gonna be any music in this video, but I do dance it with music in a separate video that's linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So if you want to see what the dance looks like with music, or when you're ready to practice with music, just head to that separate video in that separate link and you can dance along with me to the music. All right, now we're going to dance. Let's go. Are you ready? Our first 8 count, we're going to step out to the right on 1, 2, and you're going to step together 3, 4. You're dancing. So you go right, left foot comes together. I'm going to take my arms and I'm just stepping out like you're going to snap, or you can snap. 1, 2, and then on 3, 4, I'm just going to wrap my arms up and I'm just crossing them here. However feels good to you is what you do. That's on 3, 4. So you step out. 1, 2, wrap. 3, 4. 5, 6, step to your right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're just going to sway your hips side to side. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go right, left, right, left. You can go left, right. It doesn't matter. You're just swaying side to side, or moving your hips side to side. Bend those knees. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, you got it. Step out to your right on 1, 2, 3. Now hips, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're wrapping yourself up. Try one more time. 5, 6, step to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, hips, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to go back to the left. Same motion. You're going to step out, take your arms out. This time when my right foot comes in, I'm going to wrap my arms like this. So, but you can do this again if you want to. So right arm to your left shoulder, and then left arm's going to wrap around. So you're hugging yourself a little differently here. You're wrapping yourself a little differently. So you're stepping left, and then right foot comes together and you wrap again. The other difference here is instead of 2 counts, we're gonna go 1, 2, and you're gonna hold 3, 4. So this one was slow, slow, and hip, 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 then step, wrap. Nice and quick. And if one other thing, if you want to, when you step this way, you can look to your left and then pop your head back to the front on 2. So that's gonna be 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, step to your left and look and wrap, hold 3, 4. From here, the lyrics say you don't need a wish list. So we're gonna take our hands like we're saying no, no, no. Like, is this no? I don't know what this is, but we're doing that. You're coming from this wrap position and you're just gonna take them out and then away. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, but it'll be on 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm just gonna bounce and sit into my hip here. Again, it doesn't matter which hip, but I'm sitting over into my left hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this, back to the left, our second 8 count, you're going 1, 2, hold 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it. 5, 6, step to your left. 1, wrap, 2, hold 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So from the top, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and slow. 5, 6, step to your right on 1, 2, wrap 3, 4, hips, 5, 6, back to your left on 1, 2, hold 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. We're already halfway through. We just have 2 more 8 counts. Let's go on. Or pause it if you want to practice that. You can. If you're ready to go on though, we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. My footwork from here, I'm going to go touch and step and touch and step. So right, right, touch your right, step on your right, touch your left, step on your left. And you can kind of do like a little hip lift with it. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So your hip is lifting up and down, up and down. Don't be worried about it though, because if you're moving, you're doing it right. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to do arms, we were here, 6, 7, 8. You're going to take your right one kind of up at your shoulder height. And you're going to pull it and throw it down, and then the left is going to pull and throw down. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. With the footwork, you go right, throw, left, throw. So as you throw, you step. You touch, then you step, and you touch, then you step. 5, 6, touch and step on 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, touch your right, then step on your right, then left. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you're just going to take your left hand to your hip. Right arm's going to go up, and you can kind of just put your right foot in this little dig position. And you're just going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So you went 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, try that. 5, 6, 7, touch and throw. 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Back to the top. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step out to your right. You got it. Then cross, then hips. 6, 7, back left. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, touch step. 1, 2, 3, 4, then up. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. This is our last 8 count, our 4th 8 count. You finish with your right arm up, left hand on your hip. I'm just gonna let my hand fall down as I sit into that left hip again. So this was 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on the last 5, 6, 7, 8, she says, I'm the whole damn package, and you're gonna make yourself a little package around your face. So you take your fingers together on top, and then you draw out to the corners, then down to the corners, and then you finish your box or your package here. That's on 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7. And you're just framing your little face here. And if you want to with that, you can just twist your knees side to side as you do it, or just kind of do your hips side to side, or nothing and just do the finger box package thing. So from here, you finish with your right arm up, left hand on your hip. You're gonna shake your hip, bounce your hip, and bring your arm down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fingers come up and together. 5, 6, 7, 8. So try it from here. 5, 6, drop your arm on 1, 2, 3, make your package. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Take it back 1 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from there. 5, 6, touch your right on 1, 2, 3, right arm up. 5, 6, 7, shake it down on a 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. You're doing an awesome job. We're going to go all the way back to the top. We're going to go super duper slow just so we can put all the pieces together. So from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be real slow. 5, 6, step to your right on 1, 2, cross 3, 4, hip sway, 6, 7, step left, 1, 2, hold 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, touch and throw, 2, 3, right arm up, 5, 6, 7, then we shake down, 1, 2, 3, 4, make your package, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very nice. All right, from the top again, a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, step out to your right. 1, 2, cross 3. Now hips. 5, 6, back to your left on 1, 2, hold 3, 4, then shake. 6, 7, throw it away. 2, 3, right arm up. 5, 6, 7, then we shake down. 1, 2, 3, package. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let's do it one more time faster, because of course it's always faster with music. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. 5, 6, step out to your right. Go. 1, 2, 3, hips sway, 6, back to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, touch and throw, 2, 3, right arm up, 5, 6, shake it down, 2, 3, 4, and make your package 7, 8. Great job. And that was it. Great job today. Remember, if you're wondering where the music is, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So when you're ready to practice it, go check out that other video. If you need to watch any of these steps again, there are timestamps in the description as well where you can go back and watch any of the 8 counts that you might need a little more help with. Remember, if you're up and you're moving, then you're doing it right. It doesn't matter if you get all the steps. Just get up and move, put on some music. Even if you don't do these moves, just put on a song, dance, have fun, do something just for you today. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. I'm so grateful you spent some time here dancing with me today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, all the good stuff. Even if you're watching this in July or any time of year, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to dancing with you in another tutorial soon. Bye, y'all.